Bowling Green, Ohio. Excavation, street right-of-way, permit bond. What is the Bowling Green, Ohio Excavation Street right-of-way permit bond? The Bowling Green, Ohio Excavation Street right-of-way permit bond is a surety bond required for contractors performing excavation work in public rights-of-way. It guarantees that the contractor will follow city requirements and properly restore streets, sidewalks, curbs, and other public property after the work. Why is the Bowling Green, Ohio Excavation Street right-of-way permit bond required? The bond protects the city of Bowling Green from financial losses caused by damaged or improperly restored public property. It also helps ensure contractors follow local rules and complete excavation work responsibly. The bond must be submitted before the city will issue an excavation permit. How does Bowling Green, Ohio Excavation Street right-of-way permit bond works? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company and submits it with the permit application. If the contractor fails to meet the requirements or damages public property, the city can make a claim against the bond to help pay for repairs. The contractor remains responsible for reimbursing the surety for valid claims, so the bond is not the same as insurance. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.